Alright, so here we are in a 2011 Lotus Evora. I just installed a Kenwood DDX416BT, and I found nothing online about the splash image, but there it is. So there is a way to do custom splash images. I'm not going to go through and show the exact steps and what you need to do and the menus, but I will tell you how to get to the menu. And that is hold the volume down button, the eject button, and press the reset button. Hold the eject and volume down button until it powers back up, and it will access a whole set of new menus. That's going to allow you to change from the Kenwood logo to whatever image you want here. Now, the other thing that you have to keep in mind is that you do have to change it over to a bitmap file, and I will have all of the specifications of that file in the description below. I had somebody do it in Photoshop for me, so it was very easy to do, for me anyway. And actually, it seemed to have taken that person a minimal amount of time. Fortunately, she didn't have anything going on, so she got right to it, and honestly, it helped me so much. Thumbs up. This head unit now looks amazing in this car. I've got the buttons matching the dash colors. I've got just a nice OEM look at this point. You know, before it was the non-tech package, so it was a single DIN radio, and now double DIN, and you have that. So guys, if you have a DDX416 and this has been driving you nuts, it has been me. There is a way to do it. Don't give up hope. Volume down, eject button, and reset button will get you to that menu. Thumbs up, subscribe, thank you for the support, and we'll see you later.